Hi, so I am Miss Zeller. I am a second grade teacher here at North White. Just wanted to share a little bit about me and my classroom. So I have a bachelor's degree in elementary education. This is my seventh year teaching and my second year here at North White. I grew up and attended school in North Judson, it's not too far away from here, and I currently live in Winnemac. These are my pets. I have Bella as my dog, and Alexander and Fred are my cats. So just a few, again, just introducing myself, a little bit about me. I love colors, all the colors. Yeah, you'll see when y'all come to my classroom. There's a lot of colors going on. But my favorites are green and purple. I love any kind of chocolates. I am not a huge fan of Starbucks and coffee, but I recently found this pink drink at Starbucks, and it is definitely my favorite drink. It's amazing. It's like it has strawberries, and I have something else in it, but it's really good. I love Maurice's and Amazon. I mean, who doesn't, right? My hobbies, I love traveling, going to different countries and different states, just seeing the different cultures and tasting the different foods is awesome. I love doing that. I love reading and cooking and being in the kitchen, especially if it is for somebody else. Like that just brings me so much joy, and being with my family. Our classroom. So these are just a few pictures of what our classroom looks like. Um, we have our mailboxes over there, and then next to the mailboxes, you can't really see it, but is our math wall. So any math concepts that we talk about in class, there's going to be a poster or something up there so that you can refer back to if you don't remember what we talked about, or just as a reference as we go through, and I'll be talking about those things and referring to the wall as we go through that unit. We also have a reading wall, which is above our library. Our library is big. I love it. I buy books all the time. Very excited for you guys to be able to use those. We have a proud wall, which is for students that are really proud of something that they did that week. They can post it on our proud wall for the whole class to see. And then we have our class jobs, is that last picture. Um, yeah. So it's just a few pictures of our classroom. Homework will be coming home Monday through Thursday. Along with that, if you could please have your child read every night about 15-20 minutes, that would be fantastic. Will definitely help them throughout the school year to be reading every night as well as doing the homework. Our class schedule, so they'll come in, if they choose to eat school breakfast, they'll bring their breakfast down into the classroom. I'll have some morning work for them to do right before we go to specials. And we have math, intervention, lunch, recess, AR, which is one of my favorite times because they just get to sit and read and take AR quizzes as they finish their books. Then we'll have ELA, reading time, recess, and then science or social studies depending on the unit that we're doing, and then we get to go home. Specials, Monday is computers, Tuesday is PE, Wednesday library, Thursday is STEM, and Friday is fine art, so music or art. Contact information, you can always contact me through email or the phone number here at school, and they'll transfer you to my phone in the room. And during the school day, it is kind of hard for me to get back to you right away, but I will get back to you as soon as I can. Another parent communication app or thing that I use is Remind. It's free, it's secure, it is an app. You download it to your phone. It works on an iPhone or Android. It allows me to communicate pretty easily using texting. Your personal information and mine are both secure, so you don't see my information. I don't see your information. A paper will be coming home on the first day of school to show you how to sign up for that. If you've used Remind in the past, you are more than welcome to sign up now. And I'm sorry, my face is covering up the number. So you can text those numbers to the number provided down there. I am so excited to see you guys and to start school, and I know we're going to have a fantastic year.